Hello from the Cerebral Blue team. Today, in this video, we're going to be expanding on a previous video where in that video, we were given a project, which was a marketplace, and we wanted to create and promote a product for sale here. And that created all of these tasks in our Jira dashboard project right here. In this video, we're going to take, for example, this task right here, and we're going to create a description for it, and we're going to connect it to NeuralSeek so that it does all the work for us. So let's take a quick look. This template right here would start off with us inputting the issue ID. So in this case, it would be KAN13. After we input that issue ID, it'll connect to Jira, where it'll identify which task needs to be, or we're talking about. So in this case, it would be the implementing a product task. It'll then set that equal to a variable. It'll then parse it using this JSON to variables, and then it'll send it to this LLM, where this LLM is prompted to generate a description on the following issue. And then whatever this LLM provides, it'll be set to this description variable. And then once that happens, it'll go into this edit Jira issue node, where it'll update the description of that task using the description that the LLM provides. So let's take a quick look at exactly how this workflow will go down. So we'll use KAN-13. We'll hit evaluate. It'll find the task. It'll create the description. And once it does that, once it finishes up, we can go to our mAIstro board. And right here you can see in the Jira, we can see the updated description provided by the NeuralSeek template that we had before. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a good day.